Hello, my name is Omar and today we're going to be making Rice Krispy bars. So first, and you need to get it ready, we need some 3 little cups of Rice Krispies, or 1 big cup and a whole little cup of Rice Krispies. We need equivalent to half a cup of maple syrup, half a little cup of pumpkin seeds, a whole little cup of raisins. So we've got this. So first we're going to mix everything in the mixing bowl. So first we put our Rice Krispies in. Then we put, I almost forgot, you also need a whole cup of oats, or 2 little cups of oats. So you're going to put that in. And I almost forgot, you need a big mixing bowl to mix it in. So add everything in. So we also need some coconut oil. So we're adding everything in. Even adding the maple syrup, yep we are. And next we're going to stir it. And almost forgot, we need to put in coconut oil. It just makes everything smell super nice. If you smell it, it's so nice to smell. So there we go. Now we're going to mix it with a wooden spoon. Oh, look at that. So we want every little bit in here. So once you finish mixing, it will look a little bit like this. So we're going to put everything in here. Your big thing with a bit of the, what do you call it, melted chocolate, 100 grams of melted chocolate, but not all of it. You just want a little drizzle of it. So you want every little bit in the bowl, every little bit, not a little. So what you want to do is make all of this even and press really hard, or you can say equal if you want, usually do. So when it's all even, that's how we want, it'll look like this. So what you got to do to make it all even like that, well, you got to tap it with a spoon, or something you might rather use with a scrambled egg or fried egg. So I'm going to press it really hard to make it all even. So what we do after that is, so what we're going to do after this, once we've made it super even, also if you want to think that's really hard, you can just put a bowl in it like that and press really hard to make it all even. So that's how the results will be when it's even. So after that, from the little chocolate at the beginning with the drizzle, yeah, we're going to drizzle all of it on the top. If you want, you can do it like that. And after you've done all of that drizzling, yeah, so what you can do is you can spread it like this, like that, if you want, but it might be a little lumpy if you do this, yeah. You might want to thread it like I've done in the middle there. So after, we're going to put this in the fridge for 3 whole hours. Okay? So this might be the results once you've done. So now we're going to put it in the fridge for 3 hours.